After an overwhelmed response of Testbook Select RBI Grade B first batch, we are launching the new batch RBI Grade B Live Coaching 2020 2.0. RBI Grade B exam, one of the most sought after exams in banking sector for approx 200 plus vacancies, around 3 lakh plus aspirants compete for the exam. And to be ahead in this competition, you need training by experienced faculty, individual and personalized mentoring, and high quality study material. Testbook Select brings to you an RBI Grade B Live Coaching 2.0, 160 days online live interactive coaching combined with Testbook Coach for individual attention and personal mentoring. This live coaching offers 230 plus live interactive classes in which you can interact with your faculty, Testbook Coach who will analyze your preparation and guide you to success, 6,500 plus practice questions to boost your speed and accuracy, yearly Testbook Pass for unlimited practice, 130 plus PDF study notes on all important topics for your better revision, and priority doubt resolutions in which all your doubts will be resolved by our subject matter experts on priority. This live coaching will be taken by our expert faculties Pushpak Sir, GA expert, Sachin Sir, reasoning expert, Sumit Sir, quant expert, and Anjali ma'am, English expert. Confirm your selection with Testbook Select. So guys, click on the link, enroll now and take a step towards your RBI Grade B job.